beach. Absolutely could stand here all day long and look at this gorgeous view and listen to these waves crash, but I want to show you guys around this property. We're inside my new listing, 1923 Highway A1A here in gorgeous Indian Harbor Beach, Florida. You guys, this is a 2-story townhouse on the ocean. I can't wait to show you around. We're gonna start here upstairs. I'm gonna show you what we got going on up here. We're gonna head down, we're gonna check everything out down there, and then hang out till the end because we're coming back up here to enjoy more of this view I'm looking at right now. So let's get started. This gorgeous oceanfront townhome coming in at 2,400 square feet includes 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. The upstairs features an open concept floor plan with a large living and dining room combo area, as well as the kitchen, which all overlook the ocean. Through the upstairs hallway, you are led to the spacious primary bedroom, which includes a walk-in closet, sitting area, and an ensuite bathroom. Just on the other side of the primary bedroom, you will find the second upstairs bedroom and another full bathroom. This property also features real hardwood floors as well as upgraded plantation shutters throughout. Now let's head downstairs where you will find the entryway, and on the other side of that, a private guest suite featuring a living area, built-in desk, and mini kitchenette, which would be perfect for a wine or coffee bar for your guests. Downstairs, you will also find 2 additional bedrooms as well as a full bathroom, and one of these bedrooms could also be used as a gorgeous Florida room. Moving back towards the front of the house, you will find access to the 2-car garage as well as a separate laundry room. Now let's make our way back up to the star of this show, that gorgeous ocean view. I mean, what better way to start and end your days than this view right here?